Hi students, so today we'll be learning directed numbers. So whenever we talk about directed numbers, it's actually the numbers that have the negative numbers, or we call it integers, right? So here are the recap that we have to understand for the addition and subtraction of the directed numbers. So let me show you. Both of these symbols are the same. For example, positive, you will combine into a positive. Again, same symbol like negative, you will combine them to become a positive numbers once again. So whenever they are different, for example, positive and negative, you will combine them to become a negative. Again, one more time, negative, positive, combine them, they will become a negative. So different, negative. If it's same, positive. So let's do the questions right now. So let's read the question. Workout. Workout means you solve, okay? Not going to the gym and work out, okay? So let's do this question. Number one, teacher can see two operations side by side, okay? So plus minus, they are different, so you need to combine them to become a minus. So the first one you duplicate, so minus 3, you copy. These two combine to become minus 5, you just write again, okay? So after you combine these two, you write negative or minus, and then the number you copy back. Alright, so minus 3 minus 5, that is going to be minus 8. So that's the answer for the first one. Alright, number 2, so you duplicate the first number, 6. Operations side by side, you need to combine. So same thing, or negative, you combine into positive, right? So combine, plus, copy the number 4, and evaluate. So that is going to be number 10 over here as the answer. Right, third question. So teacher can see two operations side by side. So negative, positive, or positive, negative, different. You combine into a minus. So duplicate the first one, combine to become minus 10. You copy down the number. So now 8 minus 10, that is going to be minus 2. So that is actually the answer for question 3. Let's do question 4, 5, 6 right now. Alright, so let's see question 4. Teacher can see that these two operations will need to combine, right? So if it's different, then you become minus. So write minus and bring down the number 5, right? So 2 minus 5, that is going to be minus 3. That's the answer for first one. Okay, let's do question 5 right now. So negative, positive, different. Then you combine and become a minus. Copy back the number 2, and negative 4, you are going to write it down, right? So here, minus 4, minus 2, that is going to be minus 6. Okay, let's do the last one. So once again, positive, negative, that is going to become a negative or minus. 3, bring down the number, and minus 15, bring down the number. So minus 15 minus 3, that's going to be minus 18, right? So did you get it? Let's up the question a little bit. So let's see this question. Oh my god, a lot of things to do. So I can see that we have to combine an operation over here, and there's another combination that we have to do over here, okay? So what we have to do is we duplicate the first one as always. So minus 6, you copied it down. Alright, here, different, negative, positive, it will become a negative or minus. Alright, then 2, you are going to follow through it down. Here, negative, become positive, yeah, so will become a plus, and the 3 goes down, right? So now you just follow through with the numbers and operations. So minus 6, minus 2, that is going to be minus 8. And then plus 3, you follow through. Alright, down the working, right? And then now you evaluate one more time. Minus 8 plus 3, that's going to be minus 5. Right, did you get it? For multiplies and divide, how to do? So let's read the rules over here. If two signs are the same, the answer will be positive. If two signs are different, the answers will be negative. So here are already shown to you the rules. Let's do the question and practice over it. Here's a technique that I would like to share with you for multiplication and divide, alright? So I want you to ignore the negative or positive symbol. Just ignore them for a moment. We just do 12 times 5 first, okay? So do 12 times 5. That will get you 60. And then only you take into consideration the negative symbol. So if negative, or both signs are the same, that will get you a positive. So we don't show plus 60 as the answer. We usually just write 60, and we can understand that it's actually showing a positive number already. So just leave it like this, and that's the answer for number 1. Okay, so let's do our repetition for number 2. Now once again, ignore the symbols. So you just take 8 times 4. That is gonna be 32. Okay, then you write your equal sign and take into consideration now. So minus or plus, negative, positive, different, then we'll get you a negative number. So that's the answer for question 2. Now number 3, ignore the signs first. So you take 16 times 2, that is gonna get you 32. Alright, and then take consideration now. So positive, negative will get you a negative number. So that's how you do the questions over here. Alright, here we go, the next question. So question 4, negative 52 divided by negative 13. So we're gonna do division right now, the same, alright? So you just take the number, divide by the number first. So let's take for instance 52 divided by 13, that's actually 4. Okay, and then now you take consideration, negative will become a positive, so it's already positive like that, leave it. So it's 4. Okay, number 5 right now. So again, we ignore the symbols first. We take 55 divided by 5, that's gonna be 11. Right, 11 first, and then only you take considerations now. Negative, positive will become a negative because it's different, then that is gonna be the final answer. Alright, last question, yeah. So negative 145 divided by negative 5. Okay, since the number are quite large, I will have to do manually. Let's do that right now. Okay, divided by a 5. So make sure the 5 is outside, okay? Now, ignore the signs first. So you take note, I did not write any negative sign. Ignore them first. Alright, so how many times 5 will get you near to 14? That's going to be 2. Here it's going to be 10. Minus, underline, so you get 4 at the bottom. Bring down the 5. Now, what times 5 will get you 45? That is going to be 9. So write 45. Minus, and balance going to be 0. Alright, so you know the answer is 29. So we are going to log in 29 first. Now take consideration, so negative will become positive. The signs are the same, that the answer is going to be positive, so that is the final answer, 29. So tell me how many questions you got it correct, comment down below. Alright, thank you so much for watching the video till the very end. I'm actually on a quest to do all the topics for IGCSE mathematics, so don't forget to like the video and subscribe to teacher Alvin. That will truly mean a lot to me. So I'll see you in the next class. Bye bye.